Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Corrupted Red. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw two angled ovals for the eyes. And then another oval inside each one towards the outside. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop under the eyes and let's continue the head by drawing a curve down on both sides. And then a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a small angle out on both sides. And then curve it down. And then underneath, let's curve it in and bring it down. Next, let's hop in and let's draw the details on the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw a V shape down. And then inside, let's draw two angles at the top. Now underneath, let's draw the tie. Let's draw two small lines down and then bring it across. And then two zigzag lines underneath. And now let's color the tie in black. Next, let's hop out and let's draw a line down on both sides. Now let's add the collar to the jacket. Underneath the head, let's angle it down and in. Then let's angle it back out and bring it back in underneath. Next, underneath, let's draw a wavy, bumpy line all the way across like this. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a wavy line down, bringing it up and around like this. And the same on the other side. And now on top, let's do the same thing. And then add a wavy line on top of each arm. And then let's color both of the arms in black. Next, let's hop down and let's finish drawing the bottom of the body. Let's bring both sides down and curve it up. Then for the ends, let's curve it back down. Now let's draw another curve going out on both sides. Then let's curve it down from the ends. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And lastly, let's color this bottom section in black. And that's it for corrupted red. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!